Hello, how are you doing today? In this video, I'll be showing you how to install all these Facebook event pixel on your website. Then I'll also show you how to arrange them in their rank. The highest engagement that somebody can make is to purchase your product, and that is always the least you can see. It has always the least number. It's like a funnel. You see initiate checkout is close to it, then add to cart is the next one, then you also have a view content. Now let me tell you how I arrange all these. This page view is for everyone that visited my website, is captured with this pixel. This is all the people that are captured by the pixel. Then the view content are people that are captured by my landing page. That is the landing page for the particular product I'm running ad on, is captured by view content. Then add to cart is another level of page, is another page on my. Let me open my landing page and you see what I'm talking about. This is my landing page for this particular product I'm running ad on, and for anyone that visit this page is captured by this event pixel called view content. Then for somebody that goes further to click on the link or on the button, to click on this button, if someone clicks on the button, it means that that person is more interested than people that will just visit the page and go back. Some people will just visit the landing page, they will not click on any button and goes back. But some people will visit this landing page, they will click on the button and access the next page. So if somebody click on this button and access this particular page, then on this page I have the event pixel that is called add to cart, so that during my second ad or the third ad, or when I'm going to be scaling my ad, when this particular number is going to be increasing, I am going to create a lookalike audience of these particular people, so that I will now tell Facebook to help me look for people that are in this category. That is the people that can click on the button and access this page. I'm going to tell Facebook to help me look for those kind of people. Then later on, when you can also see initiate checkout. Let me tell you what initiate checkout is all about in my own arrangement here. If you see this page now, some people will fill this form. They will fill this order form, and when they fill the order form, they are going to click place an order. So when they place an order, then on this button I'm going to have the event pixel that is called initiate checkout. So for everyone that clicks on this button is captured by this pixel. Then after somebody clicks on this button, he has filled this form, then he will be redirected to another page that I have purchase event pixel, so that Facebook will be able to record those that have purchased my product. because it is very, very important during your scaling. When you are trying to scale your ad, that is when you want to reach more audience, you will be creating lookalike audience. Now if you look at this now, the portions that we have are just 9, so it's not enough for us. We don't have enough data here, so the only point that we can create a lookalike audience is from this view content, because for you to create a lookalike audience that will give you a reasonable result, it has to be more than 50 for one ad set. So if you also look at this add to cart, the number is not much, it's not up to 50. So it is not ideal for you to create a lookalike audience from this one. But later on in the process of running ad, a time will come whereby these numbers you are seeing will be more than 50. Then when we are able to get up to 50 sales, then it is that time we'll now create a lookalike audience of people that have purchased our product. Then we will now tell Facebook to help us look for people that can purchase our product. But for now, since we don't have up to 50 purchases yet, what we are going to tell Facebook now is to help us look for people that will view our content. That is what we are going to tell them. And in telling them, we are going to create a lookalike audience of these people that have viewed our content. So when we create a lookalike audience of these, indirectly we are telling the Facebook that they should look for people that are like these people that have already viewed our landing page. And from there, we will be able to get more add to cart. From more add to cart, we'll be able to get more initiate checkout. Then from initiate checkout, we'll be able to get more purchases. So that is how we go step by step. Now let me tell you how you are going to install all these on your pages. I'm going to show you now. First of all, let's start from view content. Now I have used this to run another product before. Now I am going to still use this event to run another product. The ad is already running. You can see the ad is active. I want to install it now on my website, on that page. So what I'm going to do is, since it's already installed, I'm only going to manage it. So I'm going to click manage events. Then I am going to click on open events setup tool. I am going to grab that landing page, URL. This is the landing page URL. So I'm going to copy this URL and I am going to go to that event pixel. Okay, here this is the setup. I'm going to paste it here, and if I paste it there, I'm going to click open website. And now we are in the landing page. You can wait for it for some time for that setup to come up. It's supposed to have come up by now. What is happening? Say pixel wasn't dictated on this website. Check that the URL entered is correct. Okay, I think something is wrong with our pixel. It's not firing. So the pixel is not firing. I have to fix it. I have to fix it immediately. The pixel is not firing. Okay, let's see how we can fix it. Now, it's one of the things that you will come across. Sometimes your pixel may not fire because of one error or the other. So I'm going to fix it now. And you have to troubleshoot. Sometimes it may take a long time for you to be able to get where the problem is actually coming from. So but based on my experience with Pixel, especially with this kind of pages, and one thing that I know that could prevent the Pixel from firing is the template, the Thrive Architect template that you use. Sometimes it prevent the Pixel from firing. So that is the first thing I'm going to fix now. There is a tool that we use to detect whether our Pixel is firing, and the tool is called Facebook Pixel Helper. It is an extension, it is a Chrome extension. So I'm going to install it on this browser right now, so that I will be able to detect whether this Pixel is actually firing. So I'm going to add it to this Chrome and ensure that the Pixel is firing. Otherwise, we will not be able to record our events, and we will not be able to retarget people that showed some interest in our products, and that means we'll be losing money for nothing. So we need to fix this Pixel as fast as possible. Okay, now it is installed in this Chrome. I am going to pin it. So now I'll pin it to the top, and as I pin it to the top now, if I go to that URL, I am in that URL now, and as I've installed the Facebook Pixel Helper now, it's supposed to indicate that there is an event pixel on this page. So since it is not indicating, it means that there is an error with the pixel. The pixel is not firing. So I'm going to look for a way to fix it. And one of the ways that I'm going to use now is to change this template. I'm going to work on this template and change it entirely. I'm going to replace it. So it's as if there is a problem with the template that is making the pixel not to fire. So I'm going to replace this template entirely, and I will show you how to replace this template.